على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة صدق الله العظيم قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى أكون أحب إليه من والده وولده والناس أجمعين. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, who know everything. He is Khaliq, Malik and Razik. Mr. President, Honorable, respected ulama kiram and my dear fellows, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to say welcome to all the guests here in annual Dastare Fazilat ceremony of Madarsa Arabiya Darul Furqan. Dear audience, I have a very important topic to discuss and share my view about the Sirat Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Mr. President and audience, in the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that the life of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is an example for all human beings. It means that we have to follow the path of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. If we want to succeed in this world and akhirat, and if we want to success in this world or in the judgment day, the life of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is a complete code for all human beings till to Qiyamah. Respected people, if we want to spend a life of peace and happiness, then we should follow the footsteps of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, because Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is why Ashab radiyallahu ta'ala anhu ajma'in got success in this world and akhirat. If you want to succeed in this world and or in the judgment day, the life of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is a complete code for all the human beings till to Qiyamah. Respected people, if we want to spend a life of peace and happiness, then we should follow the footsteps of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Why Ashab radiyallahu ta'ala anhu ajma'in got success in this world and akhirat? Because they follow the Uswa Hasana. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was a perfect human. If anyone study of life of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he will find that his life as a child, as a youth, as a merchant, as a husband, as a politician, as a father, as a leader, as a social mobilizer, as a thinker, as a preacher, as a teacher, are all the best example for us. Dear ulama kiram, the character of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was a sublime one. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran that I have corrected Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam with the greatest moral character. If we throw a light on the life of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, we can teach a lot that how the great Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam deals with his servant, with his neighbor, with his friend, with his enemies, are all good example for us. Dear audience, if we want to be a good person, we should act upon the principle and path of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, because Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was the guiding shining star for the whole universe. In short, every walk of life, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is an outstanding example for us. At the end, I will just say that my Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the strength and power to act upon the full-file sunnah of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Jazakallah and wassalam.